Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today we are going to choose the winner for my Christmas in July Fairies video. I'm so excited about this, and I want to wish each of you good luck. So I am picking up the link here from YouTube, and I am using a little bit different site because I was having a little bit problem with my favorite site, commonpicker.com. But I'm going to go ahead and paste in the link here. I think it's namepicker.net is the one that I used. But I'm pasting in the link, and I'm going to go ahead and get my YouTube comments. And it's thinking about it, thinking. And there was a total of 472 comments. That's amazing. And that is not duplicate comments. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for entering to win to be a semifinalist. So I'm going to go ahead and pick one winner, and I'm going to click the button to start the raffle. And the winner is Effie Shelton, who doesn't have any pets. That's okay. You're still a semifinalist. So go ahead and reach out to me at hooktotheleft.com and let me know your information. We'll talk about what you are winning as a semifinalist. And then also, I need to get a little bit of information from you so that I can forward it on if and when you win the finalist. I'm not sure that's going to happen, but hey, you're up for it now. So congratulations, Effie. And thank you, everybody who entered. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And I want to tell you all to have an amazing evening. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.